2005 Ford Escape with the 3-liter V6, and today we're going to be replacing the camshaft positioning sensor. Over at our computer, our scan tool doodad, you can see that we have the P0340 camshaft positioning sensor circuit fault code. If you have this code, your vehicle may be spitting and sputtering a little bit. It might stall, it might hesitate to start. More than likely you'll be getting poorer fuel economy. There's a couple more symptoms, but those are the main ones. Anyway, let's go ahead and get to the repair. And for this job, we're going to be using the CarQuest Charlie Sierra Charlie 1179 cam sensor. And on this vehicle, your camshaft positioning sensor is located right on the front of the engine, right down here. I know it's going to be a little bit difficult to get on camera, but you'll just have to trust me for its location. It's right down there, my hand's touching it right there. It looks like a difficult spot, but it's actually not too bad. And the only thing holding this sensor in is an 8mm bolt. If you're looking right at the sensor, it'll be right to the left of it. Go ahead and pull that bolt out. And go down there and wiggle out this sensor. Hopefully, there it goes. And with it out of the side of the head, we now have access to the connector on it. Right there, and you can just press down on this connector and disconnect the sensor. Here's our old sensor. You can see it's got a little bit of wear right here, nothing too crazy though. This does look like the original Ford unless it was replaced. Reach down here, and before installing your new sensor, make sure you take a second to check your wiring connector and the harness. Here's our connector. Go ahead and take a look at the back. Make sure that there's no loose wires or anything else that would cause your issue. Ours looks to be in pretty good shape. I'll go ahead and reinstall our sensor. Just takes a second to find that spot to line up that bolt with. And there you go. Make sure you don't put that bolt down too tightly because it is made of plastic and you will crack that housing. And that's pretty much all there is to it, really. Go ahead, clear out your codes and take it for a nice test drive. Make sure that that takes care of your issue. But if you had that code, about 80% of the time, the sensor is your issue. Especially if you checked your wiring, your connector, and those both look good. The sensor is usually the problem. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you'd like to see another video on this vehicle, go ahead and check out that one next. I made that one just for you. But other than that, if this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.